Is Pakistan's Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir planning another coup in Pakistan? In what may be one of the biggest political developments, Pakistan media reports suggest that there will be a military coup soon and that its president Asif Ali Zardari could be removed from his post.
आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब कांटे की तरह चुभ रहे हैं और मेरी जहाँ तक इतला है कि बहुत सारे लोग चाहते हैं कि आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब ओहदे से हट जाएं और उसके लिए शायद इब्तदाई काम भी शुरू कर दिया गया।
After the 2023 elections, Shehbaz Sharif's party PMLN fell short of majority. Sharif had to take support from PPP to form the government. In return, PPP chairperson Bilawal Bhutto's father, Asif Ali Zardari, was made the president of Pakistan. But Army Chief Asim Munir now no longer wants to be a kingmaker. Instead, he wants to follow the footsteps of General Pervez Musharraf and be the king himself.
आसिफ जरदारी साहब को हटाने के लिए प्लान कर लिया गया।
अच्छा,
हटा के वो हट जाएंगे और कोशिश यही की जाएगी कि वो खुद ही इस्तीफा दे दें, बीमार है।
Tensions between President Zardari and Field Marshal Munir appear to stem from recent remarks made by Zardari and his son Bilawal Bhutto, who publicly criticized Asim Munir. Even Bilawal Bhutto's recent comments on extraditing terrorists Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar to India sparked a political war in Pakistan.
The fact is, generation after generation, India and Pakistan have been trapped in conflict, historically over Kashmir.
Sure.
More recently over terrorism. The cases that we're having difficulty in prosecuting these individuals are the ones that are of interest to India, and there's a reason for that. It's because India is refusing to comply with certain basic elements that require those convictions to take place. If India is willing to be cooperative in that process, I'm sure there will be no hurdle in extraditing any individual of concern.
आज हमारे सियासतदान उनके मुंह में जुबान दुश्मनों की हो और वो किसी भी पाकिस्तानी को दुश्मन के यानी हिंदुस्तान के हवाले करने की ऑफर्स करते फिरें, चे जाए कि पाकिस्तान की एक मोतबर शख्सियत मेरे वालिद मोहतरम हाफिज मोहम्मद सईद हफिज़हुल्लाह के बारे में ये अंदाज और ये बातें इख्तियार की जाएं, तो हम इसकी भरपूर मजम्मत भी करते हैं और हम ये वादे करते हैं कि हम और हमारी कौम इस पर आपका मुहासबा करेगी।
Notably, on July 5, 1977, Pakistan Army Chief General Muhammad Zia-ul Haq had carried out a coup and overthrew Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's government in Pakistan. Now, 47 years later, it seems that history might repeat itself. Surprisingly, the reports emerged just after Field Marshal Asim Munir's trip to the United States. Munir's presence at US events has reportedly granted him Washington's approval, and this might further embolden him to consolidate more power. The big question now is, will Munir stop at Zardari or remove Shehbaz Sharif too and seize total control?
if you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.